In the spring of 2017, a famous fashion brand launched this bag, which, no offence, looked a lot like this bag. The resemblance was striking. We were flattered and decided to flirt back with a quick response. Shot by a fashion photographer, obviously. We created it in multiple formats, highlighting the qualities of our bag and how to make sure you had an original, just in case people were to confuse the two. And the world went nuts. People even copied our ad. Everyone wrote about it, from tech to fashion, all the way to mainstream media across the globe. Here are some of our favourites. Nice one. All in all, it went pretty well. Considering we had no media budget. So that's how a fashion bag and one simple idea gave us the opportunity to tell our story. That design, function and quality should not just be for the few.